Okay, so today I'm going to be changing bulbs on the 2014 Fiesta to some Lucas ones that are 130% brighter. This works on any of them from, I think it's 2014, so any of the Mark 7s to Mark 7.5s. On this side it's going to be quite an easy switch. We're going to just remove these caps and I'll film doing that. But on this side where you can see is the fuse box, can be slightly tighter. So what I'm going to do is just loosen this and remove it. There's 1, 2, 3 screws which you should just be able to do the flat head, and this one here with the cross head, which will just get it out nice and easily. So yeah, I'm going to be going to do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is remove this cap, and now you can see we can get into the light, so take it out. But first I think, especially with this one, I'm going to remove it. Down here you have this light clip where you just press it in and it will just remove it. So what I've just done is unclip that and give it a wiggle. So it's got that out. Now we're just going to undo these to get this off. So I'm just using a flat head on these screws here. Crosshead on this one down here. Right, so I was able to get this front clip out. Best idea is to put 2 fingers behind, pinch it, and then turn it with a screwdriver, and then it will come out. So now we're just taking out these bolts just to remove the whole light. So I've just got it from leveraging the back here and then lifting the front. There you go, there's the light out. So here we go, I'm now working on the back of the Land Rover on the tailgate, which is quite useful. So these are bulbs we're going to be installing. Some Lucas 130% brighter for main beams and for dips. So for these, just to get in, you just need to use it counterclockwise just to pop out. So now what you do for this rear one, just pull it from the springs, let the bulb out, and then we'll just replace it with the new one. So you can see, just check them to compare. They are very much the same prongs, same lights, just very much brighter.
Okay, so what I'm doing here is just popping the headlight back in, making sure the front goes in first, and then clipping the back in. As you'll see in a second, we'll just press against the bumper just to make sure the clip at the bottom is securely in.